Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert a drop-down menu in Google Docs. So this is a new feature and it is pretty amazing. So in this example I have a short paragraph about the parts of a plant. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a drop-down menu for some of the terms in here. So instead of roots, I'm going to have a drop-down menu with different options. So I do want to remember what my options are, so I'm going to create a little word bank over here. So here is a little word bank for my students. And this is good for me, so I know what other options I should put in the drop-down menu. I'm only going to use these 5 terms as part of the drop-down menu. So the first drop-down menu I want is for the term roots. So I am just going to delete the word roots, and then I'm going to insert, because we want to put something in, so you want to kind of think about what you want to do, and this menu is very helpful. So I'm going to insert, and then right there is drop down. Now they do have pre-made drop down menus, but we're just going to choose new drop down. And you can name it something if you want to. I'm just not. I'm going to leave that blank. The students don't see the template name, so I'm just going to leave that blank. But for the first option, I am going to type select. And you could do choose or pick one or something like that. But that just lets the students know that they need to click on that to select the answer. And I'm also going to highlight it in yellow. Now for the option 2 is really my option 1. So I'm going to put stem, and then I'm going to put root, which is the answer, and then I'm going to put leaves. And then I'm going to click save. And then I'm going to put a little space there. So this is what it looks like. So each part of a plant has a specific function. And then right here, something provides the foundation for the plant and also absorbs and stores water. They click on that and then they select root, and then it goes right there. How cool is that? You could also make this a checklist if you want to. So you could click checkbox, and then when they're done with root, they could click on that, and then they know they already used that term. And then you do the same thing for stem. And I'm going to go through and do this real quick. Now I'm done and I'm looking at it and I'm like, uh-oh, I forgot to highlight the word select. So you can just go in, click the drop down and choose edit, and then you can go in and change that. So that's how you can insert a drop down into a passage, and then you want the students to select an answer. You could also add a drop-down menu in a table. So let's say we're going to insert a table and we're just going to have two columns in that table. And we're going to say action. So maybe you're on your BLT and you have progress. So you have some action items. So let's say one of the actions is to create a shared folder in Drive and then share it with everyone. I'm going to insert a drop-down menu, and I'm going to use the project status, and I'm just going to click, and it starts. The first option is not started because we're in the meeting and we're just coming up with the list, and then you share this document with everyone on the committee, and then as things progress, you could say, oh, something's wrong, it's not working, and then that shows up, and then people can comment on that, say what's going on. You could do in progress and then completed so that you can keep track of what everyone's doing. If you don't like the term blocked, like that's kind of strange, you can click Add Edit Options, and we're just going to get rid of the blocked ones, and we're going to click Save. And now we only have in progress and complete. And of course you could add something to this. So that is how you would add a drop-down menu in Google Docs. It's very exciting. Very, very exciting. Have a great day.